Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to go ahead and open up a new Hitch Tow Series Racing MiJo Exclusives from Greenlight Collectibles. It's going to have included a 1966 Ford Bronco as well as a 2015 Ford F-150 pickup truck, and then also it comes with a flatbed trailer that can attach to the rear of the F-150. This was a 2016 release from Greenlight, and it was limited to 3,024 pieces. So we'll go ahead and get it opened and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so now we've got the vehicles out of the main packaging. You can see on top the F-150 has the 66 logo on the side of the door. It also has the Golf logo on the rear fender. And then it has the orange stripe along the bottom and orange painted roll bars. It also has orange wheels. Now unfortunately, one of the orange wheels, if you can see that rear driver's side wheel, it actually has a chip in the paint from the factory. So that's kind of unfortunate that it came that way. Then below that there's the 66 Ford Bronco. It's painted in the same style of paint scheme. Looks real good, and it's also got a raised suspension on the vehicle, so it's higher off the ground. And then as well there's a couple ramps for the trailer on the top left, and then there's a jack for the front of the trailer as well that screws in and out of the trailer to hold it in place if it's not on the truck. That's taped in place behind the rear of the pickup truck. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the package now and take a closer look at each one individually. Okay, you can see after removing the vehicles from the packing, we have them displayed together now as the set. There is a tow hitch on the back of the F-150 pickup, so that trailer just hooks in there. You attach that screw for the jack on the trailer, as I mentioned. You can raise or lower that depending on if you have it connected to the truck or not. And then there's also a couple ramps at the rear of the trailer that you have to attach. Fitment wasn't super great on those. It was a little bit hard to get them to move up and down, but they do go on. And then the surface of the trailer has a wood grain simulation to it. So we'll go ahead and get the vehicles on the carousel and take a look at them closer. Okay, first is going to be the Ford 1966 Bronco, and you can see it's got the 66 painted on the doors. It also has the Golf logo on the rear spare tire on the back of the tailgate. It also has orange wheels with a chrome rim that are larger than stock. It has the lift kit, as I mentioned earlier, so it's raised up off the ground. And also has the Golf Racing orange stripe across the top of the roof and as well as the hood. And has the Golf logo on the hood as well. It also has the oranged out grille. If you can see that real detailed around where the headlights are, it's actually got a little bit of orange color to it. And the interior is orange as well, so a very highly detailed model. Follows that theme of, you know, the Golf colors of orange and that light blue color. So we'll go ahead and look at the pickup truck next. Okay everyone, now we're looking at the 2015 Ford F-150 pickup truck. It has the orange wheels on the side as the Bronco had. However, this one does not have any chrome accents like the Bronco. It does have the same paint scheme as the Bronco, though. It has an additional orange stripe on the lower rocker panels of the pickup truck. It also has the Golf logos on both sides of the rear of the pickup bed. Has a roll cage in the bed as well for off-road, and it has a off-road bumper in the front with some off-road lights attached to it. Very aggressive looking truck. It's a very heavy vehicle to pick up. And as you can see, it's much larger than the Bronco as well, just size-wise on the display. So a very good looking model. It's got some paint flaws to it. The roll cage has a few chips in the orange, and then as I mentioned earlier, the wheel also has a chip. So the quality of the orange paint's not the greatest, but overall a great looking model and be a good addition to our collection. So we'll go ahead and look at the trailer next. Okay, now we're looking at the trailer that attaches to the 2015 Ford F-150 pickup truck. As you can see, it has ramps on the rear of the trailer that move up and down to be able to load and unload the trailer. It also has the jack supporting it in the front behind the hitch. This does have orange wheels that match the rest of the set, and it also has orange stripes on the fenders covering the rear wheels on the trailer. And then of course it has the same blue color to match the Golf paint scheme as well. Well everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. We'll have more videos coming soon, ranging from anything from Greenlight Collectibles to M2 machines to Hot Wheels, and a variety of other collectible die-cast vehicles. So if you enjoyed the content, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, and that way you won't miss a future video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.